These are the low-rise elevators at the Grand Plaza in Fantech City. You got more Montgomery vectors. And yes, these elevators do serve the entrance and the sky lobby, and you transfer to the high-rise elevators at 8. Which one is it? The indicator's burned out. Oh, it's the left one. Down. That's locked. Let's go to 15. There we go. It rang again. These are very glitchy elevators. Here at 15. Let's try P2. There we go. P2 works. I'm glad P2 works because that's where we just were. Here at P2. It's still going down. P1 doesn't work at all though. It's still going down. Let's try 3. Okay then. This elevator loves to ring down, but we're going up. And that's it.